What you doing? Huh? I know that's what y'all saying. What you doing now? Well, I don't want this no more. I got my house painted. I want me a new light up here. So I'm gonna replace this. You ever replaced that before? Huh? No, I ain't never did it before. But I could understand the concept. I have changed out light fixtures. This light is just on the outside. So I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna look at the wiring and I'm gonna put the new one up that I bought. Hey, I did get some expert opinion. I asked the man at the store to show me how. When he take it down from the store, how do I put it up? And he taught me. So I'm just gonna do what he told me to do. Y'all watch and see, okay? I'm trying. Listen, gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta do what you gotta do. Hey, and saving money. That's what I'm talking about. Uh huh. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one down, put another one up. I'm gonna try anyway. I'm gonna give it a good try. You'll be able to do it again. Trust me. So, just a matter. Taking this bracket off of here. Mounting it on the walls. Then reassembling them. See? My light here has, that's the bracket that I'm gonna have to mount up here. There are my wires, but there's some screws on the side that I'm gonna have to take off so that I can mount this bracket plate and then reassemble the light, okay? It's one of these LED lights. Y'all know they say with these LED lights, you don't have to replace the light bulb. Sounds good. So I asked, if you don't have to replace the light bulb, what happens when the light blows out? They say you got to replace the whole light. I think I'd rather change a light bulb than to change the whole light. But anyway, it is what it is. All right, let me do this. See how the ground wire now attached here? Okay. Now, attach my white to my white. Right here. And my black to my black. All right? what happens when you're doing it by yourself. Got to come up with some ingenious ways of being able to get the job done. So, my arm and my neck is my extended part. You see that? All I did was twist it on there. Same thing here. Get my color to my color. Wrap it around just a little bit. Once you put this cap on here, move this out of the way. See, once you put this cap on here, it kind of pushes them together and it keeps them secure. So you just twist it on. And oh, the white came off. Black too, so let me make sure they're really secure. Once they get under here though, you don't have any movement or anybody pulling on them, so you don't have to worry about that too much. Okay? But don't fret, don't fret, don't fret. All right, that's not on good enough. Let me get another one to replace it. Just temporarily, I'm gonna hold it up here. I'm gonna mix it. There we go. Fitting there snug, snug, snug as a bug and rug. Alrighty. We can push this back down up in there. This can go back down up in there. Alrighty. Our ground wire stays grounded. All these other parts just gonna be folded under there. Time for assembly. Time for assembly. And that looks pretty good. I'm gonna get the real level just to make sure. And let's see, let's try it out, y'all. Let's try it out, see if it's gonna work. 1, 2. This girl did it. It's cute. I like it. I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. Come on, y'all. This is DIY with Daphne, and you know I'm just doing it myself. Talk to y'all later. Bye.